All right, it's day 2. Let's get at it. Trying to block you guys from the sun. Let's see what we can get done in 15 minutes. I have some rudbeckia planted in here, hiding in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully the sun's not in your eyes too bad. Whatever weeds these are have a really deep taproot. This might be stinging nettle or sow thistle. I don't know. It's kind of pokey. Kitty, you gonna help? You gonna help me? So the problem is there's a bunch of sedum in here. So I can't take the weeding sickle and just go across it because I have to find where the sedum is. I let these get too big. Maybe if I pull some of this out. I'll be able to see what's in there. These have very, very deep taproots. Look at that root on there. Oh, there's a sedum. Look at that root. Oh my God. That's telling me the soil is very compacted in here. Which is why I planted the sedum there, because the soil's pretty bad right here. I think only of the couple of the sedums I planted this far. Most of them are in the back. These things grow like carrots. It's nice to finally get out here in the yard because we had a real bad fire close by. So I was staying inside. This air quality was really bad, but I can still hear I think they're still dropping water. Unless that's a regular helicopter. Oh look, I can start to see the sedums in here. I think I forgot to shoot a before for you guys. I can't see with my sunglasses on. It's too dark. Even though the sun's blinding me. These are rudbeckia. Blackberries. Such a shame to waste the blackberries, but I'm sure they'll pop up everywhere anyway. When I have the yard under control, I can take some cuttings or roots and root them. I think I'm going to do a berry patch in the back. The neighbor had a nice big tree over here that gave this area a lot of afternoon shade. And they cut their tree down, and everything I had in the front yard was just really intended to have afternoon shade. So I kind of had to change things up until I planted a Fuyu persimmon right there and an Asian pear. So hopefully when those get a little bigger, it'll give some shade on this side. Hopefully, if they live. The dog decided to make a chew toy out of them when they were dormant in their containers and knocked them over and started chewing on them. So, looks like they recovered, but we'll see how they do. They didn't have the best start at life. Let's see if I can get this big giant one. Look at that. Well, that's two. 2 for 1. I can't believe these roots. My bucket's almost full. You think the 15 minutes is almost up? Oh, look, we revealed one of the little sedums right here. Poor plant. It's hiding under there. This is why it's hard to record around here. It's so loud out here all the time. Oh, there's my timer. Well, we revealed a couple of the sedum. I'm just gonna get this root out. Okay. Whee! Watch out, kitty. All right, that was day 2, 15 minutes. Let's see if I can show you the after. Let me try to get on this side where there's shade. All right. Looks way better. Still got some details to do, but it looks a lot better. Day 2, 15 minutes a day. See if we can make a difference in this mess of a garden. We still have all this. All this mess. Sorry, the sun. It's bad lighting for this type of thing. We got lots to do. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.